Okay, so I actually created a separate site called let me just go here, called email list, which is Aweber, Aweber.com. Now, obviously, I don't own Aweber.com, but I've set this up as Aweber. I've called it my email list, and what I want to do is show you how that works. Now, you can set up an email list basically as its own audience to target, which I have done, or the easier thing to do would just be adding it. Where would you do that? Adding a retargeting list in here. Okay, just from the retargeting lists. Okay, so you basically just create a new list. Okay, so this was a test. I'm actually going to create a new list and show you how to do this. And so what you do is you put the name of your email list, how long you want to target them for, and this is just until they clear their cookies. So, it's not a bad idea to consider doing it indefinitely. And then basically what you want to do is track visitors who open an email. And this creates an image pixel that you can add to your email template. Okay, you can also add this image pixel basically anywhere, and they're not going to know where it's from. But the purpose is for email. Okay, so you can kind of read between the lines with what I'm saying there, and then create your retargeting list. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to click to edit here. Okay, and no, you're not going to do that. What I meant to say was you're going to click the email, and that's what I thought I was clicking on, to get your code. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually, because that's just a test, I'm actually going to add this one to my other Aweber template. Okay. And basically you're going to again, just click on the little email icon once it's created. Okay. And then highlight that stuff, copy. Okay. And then go over to your Aweber account. Okay. This works for any email. As long as it's HTML email. There's no pixels that fire when it's a text-based email, so that wouldn't work. Okay, and how to do this is under your email template manager. Okay, you'll have actually email templates here that you can create, and I'll just load this one here. If you're on my list, you might recognize this. I'll use this one sometimes. Basically, I use this where I'm going to have some text and then a picture and then some more text, call to action. And then, of course, the footer of the email. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom of that after you've got this all, how you like it, and then you're going to click Edit Theme. Okay? And when you click Edit Theme, you're going to go right to the end of the HTML and paste in that perfect audience code. So you see how that goes, and then we'll click Save. Okay, and we'll save changes. All right. So I like to go in and just double check that that's been done correctly. So I'm going to go back to the email manager, back to the template. Okay, and then edit theme. And I should see that, bam, there's my code right there. Okay, so you can put this in any HTML email. Okay, now I also want to make sure that it's in my other one, so I'll just add that now, which is the one without the pic. And of course, if you don't have a template, you can create a new template. Okay, and basically just drag and drop these different items that you want in here. So basically this is the paragraph one, I drag that in the paragraph, and then this is the signature box, and I kind of built that out and added a picture and all that good stuff. And then I have the follow me box. Okay. So yeah, you can that's already in there. All right. Let me do one more thing for you. I'm actually going to just show you how to build a real quick template. Okay. All right, let's do BA test. Okay, and basically you can customize stuff. So here's how you remove stuff. You would click on it and then click the arrow. If you wanted a headline up here, you could do a headline, paragraph, and I will just change because I always put hey first name, and then I'm on to the next line, right? So I'll just do it like that. Open this email, right? And then you can just change that text, okay? Then if you want to add like an image or some kind of thing that you want to always have in your email, you could basically browse their image gallery, and let's say I want to put this picture and have it right justified here, and then I could link it somewhere if I wanted to. I could have a button here, and then link it to let's say my order page. Actually, I don't want to use a custom image. Yeah. All right, image URL. All right, and image link. All right, that's fine. So in this template, you could actually have an image there, the whole time, like a big image at the bottom. Okay, you can put in your logo. I could put my logo in here, and this is actually the logo for this particular list. I just kind of put that in, and then of course you can also everything else you can kind of resize as well. Just find the corner and drag it in, right? And then the divider, right? So you can certainly add a divider, signature, all that kind of stuff, and then you call it whatever you want up here, and then you click save. Okay. And the last thing that you want to do is edit the once it's perfect exactly how you want it, edit the theme and paste in your code there. Okay, and then you'll be good to go. And what that means is every time that gets opened, anytime someone opens that email, you're going to be targeting them. Okay, so think about this for a second. They can be reading your emails, they can be seeing you with Facebook ads when they are on Facebook, and then when they're on like YouTube and all these other sides, you can be retargeting through perfect audience. So you can see how that little trifecta is super powerful once you get this set up. So that should be good to go, and if you have any questions, just let me know.